What a day we had today at the pool today, Clint. Just got out of the lazy river. I'm a drip dry kind of guy.
Yeah, you do dry quickly.
Thank you
Yeah,
kindly.
you look better in a bathing suit than I did, too.
I noticed you soaked up quite a bit of the pool.
Thank you, I did.
Yes.
I was wearing a big towel.
That's nice.
My tent.
We all appreciate that. The bigger the better.
But do you see this? Look at this
It's
behind us.
fantastic. What a beautiful day it is here.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's actually us just a few minutes ago over there in the tubes.
Girls, we'll be right back. We'll be right back with the drinks. 1 second. Little worky work first.
Dave knows how to party. Sycuan Casino, March of 2019.
March 2019. Now we are here early, of course, because we're very important people, and we get to be here before everyone else. Make sure that everything's just right, just for you.
Okay, now we're walking into the mock room and suite here at Sycuan Casino.
Now, as Dave and I were checking out this standard room here at Sycuan, we noticed a few things. One, they paid a lot of attention to detail, as you can see with these USB ports that Dave's checking out. And I love this little sitting area or breakfast nook, if you will. They really paid attention to everything. Now we're going to walk into a premier corner suite. This is just the foyer that we're entering now. Wait till you see the room.
Oh, Clint, the TV is rising.
Ah!
Or you have you
Shut up. That is fantastic.
Awesome.
I want that in my house.
Yeah.
Me too. We can find out. Cool concierge feature.
It's a nice powder room.
This is nice. Very nice. It's a nice roomy shower. Love that.
Oh, wow, that is huge. And remember, it all opens March of 2019 at Sycuan Casino. 300 rooms, 50 luxury suites. You've got a lazy river, a couple of different pools, an outdoor event area that's going to hold more than 3,000 people. Fine dining experiences. You already love Live and Up Close, the 7 different restaurants they've already got at Sycuan Casino. So make sure and be ready to book that room or that suite March of 2019. All the information's on Sycuan.com.